I'm Zach from SuperHiTech, and if your phone battery drops from 100% to why is it dead already in 1 hour, you're probably charging it wrong. But let's fix that. See, lithium-ion batteries are not fans of the full send. Keep it between 20 and 80% if you want your battery to last longer. Charging to 100% every single night is like running a marathon in flip-flops. Eventually, it's gonna blow. Trust me, I get it. You sleep, it charges, but guess what? Once it hits 100%, it trickle charges all night long, heating up and wearing down your battery like it owes it money. Did you know cheat cords actually fry the battery in your phone? If you're an Apple user, get a decent MFI certified charger, because saving $10 now just means paying $150 for a new battery later. Not cool. If your phone already feels like it's on hospice care, come see us at SuperHiTech. We'll replace the battery or help you stop committing phone crime daily. I'm Zach from SuperHiTech, and I'll see you next week for Tech Humor Wednesday. Bye.